Hello there again, my friends. So I have another problem. This is about mosquitoes. Okay, so our channel is not limited to computers and electronic gadgets or IT topics actually. So right now, anyway, it's kind of related because I'm gonna use it under my table. So right now I bought a product that is an insect killer. I'm gonna put this under the table. It's really important to me because a few months ago my son was hospitalized due to dengue brought about by mosquitoes. So it's already cold season here in the Philippines, or the wet season or rainy season, so more and more mosquitoes would be coming out. At least that's what I expect. So this is it. We have the Daimaru insect killer, the MS6W round model. So let's open it. It's not sealed. It's actually tested in the store where I bought it, Ace Hardware. So this is about $16, right? $16. So this is the content. This is the product that we have. It looks okay for the price. We have a pamphlet as well. Okay. About 1.5 meters. Power cord. Sort of leather, but it's removable as well. Okay, it's nice. Let us also check the bottom. This is where the dead insects or mosquitoes were supposed to be landing, so you have to clean this up from time to time. There's a pre-brush that you can use to clean out the parts of this mosquito killer. So let's try it. Alright. And the good thing about this is, as I talked to the merchandiser, is that you can replace the bulb, the fluorescent bulb inside, when it goes out or when it's already non-functioning. So that's it. I will be testing this for a few days, and I will show it at the end part of the video. Okay, so this is it. Please like and subscribe. Here we are, 3 days after we started using this. So we will try to check. So it's a little bit more dusty now. The kids have been noticing some zaps, meaning the insects are getting caught. Okay, so we will try to open the bottom. There we go. So we have some bugs that are already zapped. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Oh, so actually there is a lot, right? That's just from 3 days. They keep popping or zapping from time to time. Sometimes they get surprised or they get jumpy about it with the zapping sound, but it means it's effective actually. So I give this a thumbs up for the price, around $13, I think. It's really effective, and to think about it, there is more bugs inside because of the design here. Not all the zap bugs are going through to the bottom or to the catcher, right? So if you try to move this, there'll be some bugs or some other parts that would be coming out. See that? Yeah, so that's it. I think this is a really good buy. Not goodbye as in ciao or see you later, but a good purchase. I mean a good purchase, good buy. Okay? I've been using it for more than 4 hours a day. It's always on actually. When someone is sitting on this desk, so it's really effective. I'm satisfied with this particular item. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Put in your comments or like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you very much, and watch out for some more unboxing that we'll have these coming holidays. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, before I forget, goodbye.